Okay. Okay, so let's start. I hope the fans doesn't make some big noise. Anyway, let me just grab my gloves. Okay, so what do we have in here? This is all from laptops. Those heat sinks from CPU. Anyway, we got like mixed up in here like 3 kind of metals. So we got copper, cast alu, and just simple aluminum plus iron screw. But yeah, let's just take one apart. If I find the right tool. Screw are easy to remove, so as you can see, no, not every time. No, I got one more. Get rid of all these tapes. Sorry. And just peel it off. There we go. Nice clean piece of, oh, it's not clean. One more piece of copper in here. Just like that. Copper, cast alu, this one as well come out quite easily. And there we have it. So this will land in copper bucket. This going to cast alu bucket. And this one go to alu bucket. There we go. Shall we try with the different one? Sure, why not? Okay, this one is a little bit harder, but well, maybe not. And the same deal, grab it, just twist it. That's it. Okay, tiny bit left. Okay, it ran away. And the same things on the other side. Okay. This one hold on a little bit better. so I just grab the smaller amount at one time. Yeah. So again, piece of copper, another one, simple aluminum, and the cast aluminum. Cool. Shall we take the big one? Sure, why not? Same deal. Okay. You need to push the screw from behind, then it's like easier to grab these things what holding the screw in the place, because now it's impossible to catch it without pushing it. Anyway, one to go. So I break the aluminum. But that's not a big deal. So let's break this one away. There we go. Now, like that. And here I have two tiny screws. Okay, three tiny screws. There we go, our fan. This I'm not sure. Okay, this one looks like stainless, but no, it's aluminum, so that's cool. Let's just leave it like it is. Just okay, this one is a little bit harder. So this is our alu, and this one is made a little bit differently, because yeah, the pipes was slided in and soldered together. I don't know if I can just take it like that. That could be too much time consuming. Yeah, or maybe not so bad. Yeah, it's going slowly, but okay, I let this go. Just cut this one in here, or break. So this I will drop to alu copper heat sinks, and there I have my copper. Cool. And no, this for side. Those go to alu, cast alu, and piece of alu again. Cool. So yeah, let's put this one aside. Okay, maybe I do one tiny one. There's not much. Just peel away those holders, and they are magnetic, so just to iron. Another one, and let's pull the copper out. Tiny piece of wiring. Okay, our fan. Yeah, I should remove those tape before. Just like that. And again, you got to get rid of these ones. Okay, this one are easy. Cool. So that's our alu, and that's our copper. Let's clean up a bit in here. Yeah, as they're going so fast, so maybe I will go with one more. Why not? No, that's true. They go a little bit down, and probably they will go even more down, but yeah. After you start, you cannot stop. Pull fan to a side. So again, alu and copper. Not so hard to separate, so okay, so let's try this one. As I said, I already removed before the screens, and yeah, actually only screen I removed because I get it like this, without hard drive, without memories, but I'm cool with that. Tiny how it's called, networking card. I do begin to collect those tiny contacts not so long time ago, and I just put it in one box, and they adds up quite quick when you're playing with laptops. So cool, right? Focus. Don't want to focus. Yeah, anyway. Cool. So let's get rid of all the screws. Just CD drive. Yes. Okay, let's go further. So take care about the front. No, it's not this one. There's like small button you have to push to get out the keyboard of this model, but I will not play with that because I don't need that keyboard anyway. So no, I bend it a little bit. Yeah, and here we have a few more screws, and basically this should come off right now. Okay, one more. There we go. In here it's like nice aluminium heat spreader. Plus we got those tiny ribbon wire with this gold shining edges, so that's also good. Our jacks for mics and headset. So there's our touchpad. Buttons, easy to take out. Need to get rid of all this white plastics, and then you can easily pull out this like mini keyboard. It also contains silver in there, so okay, there is our, what is this? Let's look. That's looking good, nice gold plating on it. And it's just our power switch hole. I got few of them already, so actually not all. This one is fingerprint reader, but as well has nice gold plating on it. And yeah, let's get our power panel with the buttons. That is it. Actually, these buttons. Yeah, cool. And then let's try to get our touchpad. Hello there, how are you? So to get this one, it's glue it really well. So, ooh, and it fly away. This is as well has nice gold plating at it, so that's cool. That will go to high grade boards. So how are you guys doing over there? As you can see, I just playing with the laptops and yeah, explaining a little bit. Maybe someone will find out this useful somehow. And look how big speakers we got over there. Cool. PS3. And let me think. I think at least mid-grade, but if all the components will be on it, and you remove like these big capacitors or something, then could be high grade, I believe. I don't remember how it's looked, but I think so. It can be almost high grade if you do remove some of it. I mean something from the board. But anyway, I think I have PS4 somewhere laying on the top of the pile, so let me get that and then we can just look on it. Just give me 15 seconds. Okay, there you go. I'm not really sure if it's PS4 or... no, it cannot be PS4. So this must be PS3. Looking by the size, this big version. Yeah, PS4 is much smaller. And yeah, basically no junk on it. Some of the scrapyards can actually ask you to get this one high grade to remove all these spools here and these aluminum capacitors, because the rest I believe it's only good stuff, and maybe some of these metal caps, but they are actually USB ports, so this metal should be brass, not iron. Yeah, I think this, yeah, I'm pretty sure this is PS3. But I will definitely drop it to high grade after removing this battery. And yeah, because what do we have here? Huge green fiber CPU with the cooling. Nice BGA chips. Also these ones, this north and south bridges. Plus here there is some kind of extra thing, I believe. Marvel SCE. I don't know what is this, but I believe it's some kind of special version. Hello there. It's going pretty well. I'm just playing with this scrap and yeah, just enjoying. And this look like memory chips, I think, I'm not sure, but it has nice and fat MLCCs. That's cool. Yeah, so that's PS3. I'm not sure if I depopulate it for getting all those stuff out of it or just drop it to high grade. Not decided yet, but I do really like what I see on this board. So, hello there, how are you? Yeah, let's just put it aside. Okay, not so bad. Yeah, where do I stop with these laptops? So I hope I answer for your question. Let me know if you have some more. Anyway, as well, last time I find some Xbox motherboard as well. So Jazz, how are you doing? Okay, that's cool. That's fine with me. I also do that quite often. Yeah, somehow I just feel like doing it today, so why not? It's a little bit too hot, but I have my all 64 fans blowing on me, cold air. Actually not cold, but just blowing on me, so that's good. Piece of alu, another one. And on this one we got basically nothing left, just plastic. So let's go to our motherboard. What do we find in here? Just piece of wiring. I do cut away those gold plated pins. Okay, last time I found such a things in one laptops and I decided to keep it because it has like Fahrenheit and Celsius. I run on Celsius, so now Fahrenheit 50, 70, no, 50, 68, 20, 70 degrees. It is like over 20 degrees, so quite nice, quite nice. And that's why I keep it. Because every time when I ask someone how hot it is, they give me in Fahrenheit, what I don't familiar with. So, but now I know, thanks to those tiny bits. And it was like also come out from laptop, and it was like just some, just like here, this plug for covering the hole from some card or something. That's very useful for me. Anyway, so hinges, iron, magnetic, no good. Some of them are cast aluminum, and sometimes I find also stainless steel. So okay, at my place it gets cooled down a little bit as well. Let me tell you how much it is. Yeah, it's about 86 Fahrenheit right now, but it's slowly coming down, so that is cool. Again, some tiny gold-plated pins contact. And there is our heatsink, CPU, cool, and there is our self CPU. That's even more cool. There we go. Nice with pins. Cool. And this is actually Intel Core i3. So that's quite new. Still could be useful. Yeah. And basically that's all. This can now just end up in, no, let me just take you with. This and this one as well in the box. Okay, I cover my box, of course. Tiny box with these prints from laptops. So that's cool. I don't know how much it weighed, but yeah, let's say maybe 5-6 kilograms. Even though it's full, the circuit board is quite light, and that's the plastic of all these laptops. It's basically the same weight as circuit boards. So yeah, let's go back to the place. Okay, I think it's okay. Now let's take care about our heating right away. Just push it. Come on. One more. There we go. Three tiny screws. One falling out. Just like that. Okay. Some of this one fell out right away, so that's good. will not bother to fight with this one. I will just do the same like with the other one. Just cut it as close as I can and drop it as a alu copper radiators. So alu, different alu, and the copper. That's cool. So what we have left in here, one more tiny circuit board. And this power plug. I just got it away. This one is nice gold plated, so let's keep it separately. Tiny wire, and yeah, that's basically it. Or no, not, it's not all. But this going to the, oh, this is supposed to go to high grades. This going to laptops, circuit boards, and here we still got some like tiny beads. I think it's something for make the self chassis stronger. What is like some kind of cast aluminum. Not really sure what exactly, but it's very light. But it's metal, so that's the way it looks. Cool. And yeah, just actually got like 2 pieces of aluminum in here, but I think it will be like quite hard to get them out. I actually never tried. Okay, yeah, it is quite difficult, but it's coming off, so let's do one as I already start. Just like a can. Yeah, but anyway, I believe it's too much effort to doing that. So, plastic. Where's the second part? In here. There we go. That's our Del Vostro. Cool. Okay, so is it magnesium? But it's not non-magnetic, you know. Okay, but do they pay some different price for that or something? I'm not sure. Look like that, almost like the same color like cast aluminum. Sometimes they even make the whole cases for laptops of it. I've seen that on, I have one here. Oh, these ThinkPads, Lenovo's. See? Sometimes this bottom and the top from the screen is also made of it. I'm not really sure what maybe standing somewhere, but I don't know. I don't see any markings on that. Now there is like one mark, MG. No, so that's probably fit. It could be magnesium. But no, it's not magnetic still. I just need to research that. Or ask about it at scrapyard. Maybe they will give me some good price for that. Okay, getting hot and sweaty. Yeah, it looks like it has those triangle sign with recycling things and MG standing in the middle of it, so that could be magnesium. I don't know if you can see it, probably not, but let's just try to find me in the camera. Come on, focus. Where is it? In here somewhere. I don't know, probably not. But anyway, until now I'm throwing it always with my cast aluminum. But probably I will not lose a lot because it's very light material. But definitely I need to find it out and ask just. Okay, now as I know what is this, so I know about what I should ask. So anyway, I'm like keep on hearing. Okay. Yeah, not much, but yeah. If I get it, so it's worth to save, right? Okay, so there is some older style. It's also, yeah, what those are. Yeah, it's also Dell. A little bit older, but still. Again, missing hard drives. No, this is metal. Cool. Aluminum. Okay, I believe I get them all. There's one screw for the two screw for the keyboard. Yeah, definitely older one. Nice cool connectors. Here we got two heat sinks. Now let's get rid of the cover maybe first. There we go. No, this is nice and clean. And again, this magnesium part in here, as you can see. One more screw. There we go. Now there's no sign on this one. Vendor catcher. That's standing on it. That's all. Maybe at the second one. No, as well. It's only standing, then is the right version. Cool. At least I find out what is this. Thank you. One more. There we go. Nice aluminum cover. Number 2. And this one, I believe it's something else. It's not aluminum. Let's rip it off. Yeah, this one is stainless steel, so also cool. So that's our touchpad. Nothing spectacular, no visible gold. So, and here as well. So this will go to laptop prints. Case cover, plastic again. Again, laptop circuit boards, cast aluminum. This one has much more nicer speakers and the battery hooked up in here. So, hey, yes, I can do. How are you doing? I got glad you are here. So, what do you think about the speakers? Isn't that cool? Like for laptop? Normally they are just much smaller. Anyway, I believe this has much better sound than the tiny one. But I will not do nothing with them. I just throw it to the low grade electronics. One of scrapyards at my place, they took it, so I also drop all screens and all that stuff. Now this one has, no, it hasn't any gold sign on it. Too bad, but got them anyway. Rest end up in the wire buckets. And this one I do like as well. But let's find out what sorry, what CPU we got in there. Yeah, I can do it as well, but let's say for the whole laptop I getting like yeah, let's say $2 per kilo. I'm not getting in dollars, I just say in my currency anyway, just so it will be easier for you to understand. Let's say I get $2 for whole laptops. For self-print I get 22. I know it's like half of the weight, but yeah, much more money, so that's why I'm playing with this. You know, this is also like mixed alu and copper, a little bit different one. But cool, let's just try to peel it off. Thank you, dude. Thanks a lot. Yeah, it's coming out quite well. Oh, it break. Anyway. Got it. Copper. And there's a little bit more. Yeah, it's come out. Come out. Perfect. So I got my copper out. That's cool. Feel quite heavy. And just some cast alu and simple alu. Here and there. Oh, I'm sweating. Okay, what do we have in here? (2004) 1.6 Intel. Okay, cool. Always something. Okay, let's get this motherboard out. Just fun. Cool, I like the fun. More. Come on. No more screws. But of course, for sure I missed something somewhere. Okay. No, now I see what I missed. All those brass screws. That holding me to take out this motherboard. Okay, one more. Oh. Okay. There's one more. Okay, another of this magnesium piece. Cool. I am really happy when I find out what is this. And again, this tiny contacts. I just love them. I actually, for the laptop prints, I get I have like separate category. They just call it laptop prints, and yeah. They just giving me like 22 crowns per kilo, so there we go, scrapping good. Isn't that nice? That's cool. No, this one you mean? Yeah, that could be telecom board. Same as this tiny one. Got like almost full box of them. So this actually is CPU, and some of them have really nice gold plating. Anyway, that's cool. They all adds up after some time. Two more of these contacts. Yeah. I just missed one screw somewhere. There it is. Got it. Okay, one more. Actually, two. Okay, so take care and have a great one, dude. Thanks for stopping by. Just feel too heavy for aluminum. Yeah, it's stainless. Anyway, there we go. There's our motherboard. And one more tiny circuit board. And our magnesium. Cool. So now I need to dig out from my boxes cast aluminum all those magnesium. So, but anyway, not a big deal. And yeah, what else? Nothing left. Just motherboard. And this one is, oh, this one is magnetic. So let's get rid of the plastics and the boards. No, there is something that will go also to the boards. You mean about this magnesium and cast aluminum, or? This should go to the circuit board as well. Let's just drop this CPUs to the right place. So this one, print fiber, E3s, and this one go in here as well. Cool. Okay, it's getting over an hour, so I will wrap it up, those stream, and just clean up a little bit. Yeah, maybe play a little bit more with this heat sinks, cooling systems. So I would say bye to everyone. Thanks for coming in, and see you all at the next time, and wish you to have a great one today. Take care, guys. Bye.